Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, if you're new, welcome, and if you're a returning member, welcome back. If you're a new member, could you please share and like to the bell notification button? It helps other people know when I post videos like this one. And before we get started, I'm not a medical doctor. I don't make any medical claims. This is all based on my own personal journey, so please do your homework first. Well, today marks the end of week 130 weight loss keto results, and in our 3-day A-fast results and a 2-day period of transitioning over the carbs. And I ended up losing 4 pounds while I was doing the A-fast, and altogether I ended up losing 3 pounds of solid weight. And I feel very happy about it. I'm very glad I did that. I found an easy way of cooking eggs that I really love. I put a little bit of avocado oil, maybe about a half a tablespoon in the pan with a little bit of slab of butter. And I cook them on really, really low heat, well, high heat at first, and then I reduce it, and then put a little salt and pepper on it, and a little bit of cheese on top. They come out really, really good. So I had basically that type of formula all week long, and then I made a couple of poached eggs. I really liked that, and then of course I bought my new mini pie dash maker, and I started creating some eggs the other day with it, and I really love how it came out. So that's going to be my new method now of cooking eggs when I'm in the mood for eggs. So basically, you turn on your mini pie dash, and when the light goes out, same as the regular dash, it's ready to use. You take 1 egg, you put it in, salt, pepper, maybe cheese if you want cheese, and you close the lid. 1 minute, then you unplug it, and then after 1 minute, you either lift it up, or you can go 2 minutes if you don't want any running yolk in it. And so I did mine for exactly 3 minutes, 1 minute on and 2 minutes without. When I popped it out, it had the perfect egg, and it came out really, really awesome. So that's going to be my go-to now when I want fried eggs. And the best part of all, no mess. So they have one that does 4, one that does 6. So I'm going to send out for the one that has 4 next month, and it's about $40 on Amazon. And what's great about these little mini pie mold dash makers, it comes with a little pie cutout thing over here where it's one's for the top and one's for the bottom. So the wider loop would be for the top, so when you're making your pie crust. So on your pie crust, I bought a package of the Pillsbury pre-pie crust already made. Now I haven't used that yet, and that's not keto, but I'm just experimenting with it right now. And I did find a YouTuber that did a biscuit for his morning biscuit that he did with using regular flour, but I'm going to convert his formula over to low-carb weight loss, and I'll have his exact amount recipe, but the only difference is the almond flour is not self-rising, so I'm going to have to put some baking powder in, and I've already got the notes already written down, so we're doing pretty good as far as that goes. Now, I want to talk about my weight. So I'm down to 221 pounds this morning. So the start of my journey, I was 325, and for 130 weeks, I'm at over 100 pounds of actual weight loss, and even more so since before 2020, like over 150 pounds. So I'm don't feel any guilt about anything. I feel really, really fantastic with my weight loss and helping you guys to lose weight and keep you guys going. And I would encourage you guys not to give up, because I'm certainly not giving up my weight loss journey. But speaking about giving up, I got some sad news for you guys that follow me along on social media. So this past Thursday, I had an emotional breakdown. I've been getting really bad thoughts in my head again, and as much as I love the city of Leominster, my health and my life is more important than the city of Leominster. So when I had a meltdown on Thursday, a very dear friend of mine came. She told me what to say. I'm taking an extended leave of absence for any city activity currently right now that I was doing before. And I'll be forever grateful for that friend for making that suggestion to me, because I wasn't in a good place. And so the only activity I want to do for volunteering is a Friday night parish, because I love those people that we volunteer with. We have fun. The atmosphere is fun. All the players know who I am, and I know who all the players are by first name. And, every now and then we mess up, but we all mess up. And, I want to go somewhere where I'm happy, in my happy zone. Now, my happy zone is walking and putting out YouTube videos and putting out, things for, you to enjoy. But life right now is not an enjoyment place for me. And when I'm in my happy zone, I'm walking. And I love walking because I can put my playlist on, listen to my favorite tunes, and get some good quality walking in and continue pushing on my weight loss. Now, I've been under a lot of stress since I joined the other organization, and there was something that was said there this past week. I'm not going to get into the details, but I want to be forever grateful for that person that said what they said. I don't know if they're watching this video. That opened up my eyes, okay? 2023 is going to be my final year filming for the city of Leominster, or doing any activity for the city of Leominster, for that matter. My life, my health, my wife's health, and Donna and I are both retirement. I don't know how much time I got left. I want to enjoy myself with my wife. And when I do I'm only planning on doing 7 events this year. The Colonial Band and 2 concerts that the Montezuma Corral are going to put out. After those are all done, I'm all done filming for the city of Leominster. I'm all done everything for the city of Leominster. I've given it my all. And I just want to be Ron and Donna. And when they got a citywide yard sale coming up in May, I want to be able to go to that, and I don't want to have to worry about going to another event because I'm involved in another organization and everything is just taking up too much of my time. So I hope you guys can all understand that, and that's the reason why I'm walking away. But right now, I'm just taking an extended personal leave of absence, because when I walk away from something, I don't want to walk away mad. I want to do it very, very professionally. And that's the reason why, because it's just, a lot of it's just taking up too much of my time. I'm up all hours of the night. I can't sleep. And it's just, everything just got to me all at once. And I just don't want to do it no more. So if those guys and gals that might be watching this video, I hope you're going to understand that. And my life is more important than anything outside of Donna and I right now. And Donna and I have been together for 42 years now. And I want to be able to enjoy whatever time we got left together. And, and when I talked to the girl Friday night that manages the bingo, she said, Ron, you're absolutely right. If you want a night off, just let us know. If you want to take a whole month off, just let us know. If you don't want to volunteer no more, just let us know, and they'll find somebody else. But I love Friday night bingo, and I don't want to give that up. That's something that Don and I did over the years, and I enjoy it. And so we're just going to go with that and take one day at a time as God gives it to me, and continue praying. I usually get up around 2:30 every morning. For some reason, I just can't sleep beyond 2:30. I'll get up and I'll stop praying for about an hour, and I'll have my coffee, and then I'll continue praying, and then I'll start watching YouTube videos, and I'm just thinking I got a chance to see another day, and but in the meantime, I'm going to try to inspire as many people as I can to get healthy and continue with the YouTube channel. We're going to be going YouTube Live on Thursday night, I'm hoping, around 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, so be watching for that video. What else we're going to do? Oh, on the mini pie dash maker, I'm getting a lot of great ideas, and we're going to put together some low-carb recipes, and we're going to be converting a lot of things over to low-carb for the mini dash. And and that's really about it. Today's Sunday, it's Super Bowl Sunday. I'm not really planning on doing too much today. I'm making a smoked shoulder today in the Instant Pot. I bought a small smoked shoulder the other day, and I'm going to have a couple of baked potatoes, one with my wife and one with myself. I know it's not keto, but you do you. And that's about it. At the end of the day, I just want to be just plain Ron and Donna, and I just want to enjoy myself. And lately, I haven't been enjoying myself. It's been very, very difficult decision to make, but all the organizations that I'm currently a member of, I'm going to be stepping back, and I'm going to be leaving those organizations before the end of the year, because I just don't have it in me anymore. And what was said at the that place, the other place, it took the seal right out of me, and I don't want to be a member of any organization in our city anymore. But I'll be forever grateful for you for saying that. But at the same time, think about what you say before you talk to people, because you never know what kind of impact it might have on somebody, and it certainly had an impact on me. And it's not worth my time and my effort and my life and my wife's life to be that miserable. Okay, we'll put it that way. Because I volunteered over the past, and actually I've been volunteering for the city since 2012, and I've been giving about 80 hours a week to the city. I'm not giving it no more. I'm done. And like I said, I just want to continue with my YouTube channel, put up better quality content, get involved with some live streams, and create my own live streams, and that's what my goal is. And and I still want to go back to work. And if I'm working, if I volunteer, don't pay me anything. I mean, you could pay me something. I don't really care. I don't want any money from the city, because if I took money from the city, you'd be wanting more out of me than it's worth giving to you. And I got nothing to be ashamed of. I won Citizen of the Year in 2019. I mean, that was a great accomplishment. You got over 100,000 people in that city, and I was one of 100,000 that won. I'll be forever grateful, but I got nothing to be ashamed of. All the volunteer that I did. I mean, usually you got to volunteer. You got something going on in a city almost every other day or every week, every month. I'm down there every one of these events taking photos and videos, and it's taking away from my time. Johnny Appleseed event, that was a perfect example. I'm there filming for 12 hours a day, and I couldn't have been in both places at the same time doing photos. All right, yeah, they did pay me. Big deal. It wasn't even worth the money that they gave me. And the other thing about the whole thing is, Christmas, the winter stroll was the same thing. I'm doing a concert at City Hall, and then they had the stroll event. The stroll event got started at 5, and and I'm in the City Hall till about 4:15, 4:30, so I wasn't able to grab out the photos that I wanted to get. And then I got to be involved with another organization on top of all that, with three or four events going on. That's not happening no more. I'm done. I'm sorry. So I hope people are gonna understand. But that's just one of many perfect examples, and I'll probably make another video of some of the stuff that I've done over the years, and some of the favorite stuff that I was doing when I was filming and stuff like that. I had a lot of fun, believe it or not, but it was just something that was said that really pissed me off. But anyways, I'm gonna let you guys go. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Be watching for my live video Thursday night. And I'm going to continue going into other YouTuber lives, and over the course of the week I plan on making some really great recipes. We're going to continue on with the low-carb weight loss meals. Remember, we're not really doing keto too much anymore, but we are staying within the carb count every day to keep my carbs. I know I'm having a potato today, but we're having a small potato and a little bit of ham, and then everything will be spot on for my carbs. And you can, if you're at that point where I am, and if you watch your carb count every day and stay within the 20 to 30 carb grams, and I'm going almost as high as 50 carbs, I'm right there. I've had a steady weight loss of a pound and a half a week since I started, and what that means for me, and eventually for you, you stand a better chance of keeping your weight off instead of just pushing it all down at once, because you want a steady weight loss of an average of 1 to 2 pounds a week, and that's how I've been very successful. And counting my carbs, of course. So knowing what I want to be responsible for what I put into my mouth. But so we're gonna let you guys go. Love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, have a great week, and leave a comment below the video. Let me know what you guys think about everything, and if you want me to make any recipes or do anything, or you want to see any things, photos in our city when I'm walking, like I said, when I'm walking, I'm happy, and I can clear my head and just say, hey, I'm being Ron, But because eventually I want to break away from our city a little bit and just, drive around to another area and just walk around and just see what they have and take photographs of something different for a change. But anyways, I love you guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill.